Hello guys. Um so as you can see, I did have a plan this time for the wolves. And this is just after the other video, last video. Unfortunately, where was it? This yeah, see, this looks a little weird, right? But while I was building this stuff, I was harvesting and building this, um apparently the Anki was like walking into the spikes it was surrounded by, and it killed itself. So not the greatest there, but we still have. Why did I eat that? We still have one Anki, but now I'm surrounded by wolves, so that's the tricky part. Now I gotta somehow get them in here without dying. So we're gonna see how that plays out. Real quick, let me just save the game. Um, I think I might. Did I leave my? Okay, so I left my prime up with the Anki. I'm gonna go get that. Or no, wait. There's dog. Okay, we can do this. Where is this wolf? Oh, I saw it. That's a baby wolf. Okay. I think I'll make a break for it. Go back to my Anki, get what I need from there, and then we'll try and trap them in here. Try and trap some wolves in here. So I'll uh I'll see you when that happens. Alright, so I went to the Yankee. Didn't have any prime in there. Must have spoiled or something. Maybe I didn't have any. I don't know. But there's wolves right out there. But as you see in my hotbar, I got some stuff that might help in case we need it. But now, see, I got the plan, right? I leave this gate open. You know, I could leave both of them open, just because it's probably easier for them to get them in. But once they're in here, I just bowl them, and then I can close the gates when they're bowling. But dude, where'd all the high levels go? I haven't left this area at all since we tamed those Ankies. Oh god, that thing scared me. I mean, I guess we did, because I went down to the raft to get some more hatchets, because I was gathering a bunch of stone here. But I guess, hey, here's the prime, I guess. Oh, come on. Oh, hold on. Where'd it go? Get in here. I'm just closing the gates when I hack these guys up so I don't get attacked. Okay, so that's a good amount of what should we call it? It's a good amount of prime. That's what I meant to say. Alright. Leave this gate open. I've gotta find these guys now. They had no problem finding me last episode. But now, did they leave me alone? Because they saw me build this fortress here? I'm pretty sure there was 189 near the air. Okay, you know what? Not the 203, but I'll take it. It's just, it's a little far. Let's see, maybe that'll hit. Oh, oh, okay, I did not see he was already on me. Okay. You know what? We might be able to work with this. I mainly built that fortress just in case there's like a whole pack of them, like or more than one. Like what happened with the 203 I tried to knock out on that rock over there, and then I got booted downstairs. But if there's just one of them, I might be able to get that done like this. Maybe it'd be yeah, maybe it would have been smart to still get him in the pen though. I mean, I was gonna die though, so I didn't really have a choice. I had to bowl at him. Okay. I might be able to bowl at him pretty soon again. Okay, now he's just completely gone. I don't know where he went. Yeah, so that was kind of stupid, I suppose. Okay, there he is. There's an egg. Okay, wait. That was a wolf eyes. These things are sneaky. Oh my god, he's all the way over there. Yo, so we're not getting that guy. Alright. Well, I built a pen over here because I knew they were over here, right? So I thought, oh, we're so close that, you know, I'd practically be able to step outside and get them on me. But I guess not. I'll keep this one open because I think there's some on this side. Oh, here it is. Here's some. Ah, but only the 182. See? And now this is where I make my break for it here. Ah! Dude, I need to figure out some water. Alright, so here's where I... Dog. You kidding me? Alright. Okay, that was... I realized that was a bit stupid. There. Okay. Okay, and I realized I did not place this in... I didn't have one of these when I built this place, which is probably... was kind of stupid. If I'm... you know... God. Hold on. I'm being called. I'll be right back. Alright, sorry about that. I had to go help someone with something. Okay. You get situated. I think I might run out of trinket, to be honest. Alright. Let's do our little trick here. I need some armor, dude. I need some loot. Once I get what's it called? Pteranodon. I might just go loot drop hunting. Okay, see, the wolves were all over me. Now they're not. Dude, I really messed up with that 196, didn't I? Oh, hello, what's this? Okay. Just gotta stay alert. Okay. See some movement over here. Okay, I see a wolf right there. I probably shouldn't be coming out this far. But it's like... Yeah, he's definitely on me, isn't he? I'm just way too slow. Oh my god, did that just save me? That just saved me. That howl just saved my ass. I'm so grateful. Oh my god. Comes in a straight line and then just starts zigzagging and shit. Oh, wow. Pack leader. Oh my god. Where'd all the good levels go? Is that another wolf? There's a wolf right there. Alright. Hey. Get back here. Yeah, come here. Coward. Where did that wolf just go? Whoops. Alright. So, all these wolves are cowards unless they're, gang thing me, you know? What the hell is going on here? They'll just run away from me unless they got 5 buddies. Yeah, like, of course you're gonna feel safe jumping with 5 people. Got the Italian mafia after me. Oh my god, where the fuck are all of these damn wolves? I thought I placed this in a great place. Apparently not. Okay, there's a wolf over there. It appears to be alone. Never mind. There's a 133, not a pack leader. That's the pack leader. Okay, it's a 133. This is not a great idea. I don't know what I'm doing. But they're so close to my guy up there. I gotta do something. Oh my fucking god. Are you fucking serious? Are you fucking... I I didn't want to show all that because it was a pain in the ass, but I finally got a dire wolf in here. Guess there's some outside. But he's a 133, and I don't care anymore. I'm going for it. Whatever. Are you shitting me? I don't care. I'm knocking him out, and I'm bringing those 2 in here. Once he's knocked out. Okay, actually, maybe not, because, no, I'm killing it. Because I don't think I'd have enough tranks to deal with the one. Oh, what did I do? Alright. For some reason I decided to walk out of the thing. Okay, hold on. I'll bring you back when we can respawn. Alright. Alright. Okay. Let's try this again. I decided I'd spawn on the boat, stop back at base, get my narcotic, and just come back over here, and that's what I did. So now I didn't get my stuff though, but it's fine. Now I got my stuff. On my way in here, I got these guys trapped in here. So let's do that first. What the fuck is he doing? I'm shooting this one. I don't know. It's not the 196, and that's all that matters to me. It must be the 133. Look at that. Alright, bud. Let's not do that. Just die, just die. Just die. If I could walk away with a 196, I'm perfectly happy. Now, I don't know if I can get headshots on this one. How did this thing break? It must have been me. Okay, no headshots is fine. I'll just shoot him. That seems to be doing a little too much. That doesn't. You serious? Come on, it's level 70. How much health does this thing have? Come on. Should have this thing dead by now. There we go. Alright. I'll get him to eat it. Or maybe I should. Okay, he's bullied now. Now I can get headshots on him. Now I got enough drinks. It's starting to look good. Starting to look good. Actually, you know what I just thought of? I should have made a damn Anki saddle. Cause I think, am I high enough level for it? Yeah, I'm definitely am. So, is he stuck? That was a good spot. Whoa! But yeah, I should have made it when I see. I'm not thinking like that because I'm too focused on the wolves. But if I made one, then I could have, you know, rode the Anki down here into this pen while this guy was taming up. Oh, these things don't take regular kibble, dude. Hell, I don't even have enough anyways. Okay. Alright, I'm level 40. What does 40 get me now? Okay, well, I'm good here. Oh, I can get to random. Okay. That'll make so much stuff so much easier now. I'm gonna let this guy starve a bit. See, now I feel like this is stupid to do, but I think I'm gonna go try and get the Anki down here. Oh, I'm gonna have to get these guys back too. Oh my god. I guess we got a little less room now with the trike gone and the second Anki gone too. Well, this guy follows me. I'm gonna stay alert. My head on a swivel. This guy's got some good stuff in him, so. I don't know what to level on these guys. Like, I'm not sure if melee damage actually increases the yield percentage when harvesting. Or not. I'm not sure if it does or not. So I usually pump weight on them. But if melee actually does help with that, then I might start leveling some of that in too. I think mostly I'm gonna go for a weight though. Let me pray that there's no more wolves. I mean, I bet this guy could take on or could whoop some wolf ass for real. 293. Does that? I do think he could whoop some ass, but I don't want to try it. Get in here, bud. I am not excited to get these guys back. to base at all. Cause look, right? Oh my god, look at all these deaths. So, this is base over here, outpost 1. We gotta walk all the way down here, all the way down to over here. And the Anki is slower than the trike, but at least I'll have the wolf as some protection. This guy's loud as hell. Oh my god, I'm slowly collecting a full set. Look at that. What ate that? Or did it just... That body was there when I left, right? And he did get pretty low on health. I was worried about him dying. Alright. Let me check something real quick. It's a little bit of a shorter episode. But, when this guy's tame I'm about to eat, and then I think I might film one more today. If not, I think I'll do one tomorrow. I'll do a few tomorrow. Screw it. Because now we're what level are we? 40. Now we're getting into some of the good stuff here, so I could be going for some better stuff. I think definitely I'll try to increase what quality of kibble I can get. I might be able to. I might just jump straight for the yellow kibble if it's not too crazy, or I might just do simple or not simple superior kibble. Let me check the recipe for kibble quick. Exceptional. Okay, so focal chili I'm not sure about. I don't know the recipe on that. Well, that seems to be the only thing I'm... Oh, and rare flowers. Rare flowers and focal chili. And then the egg. But I could tame something that isn't really, too crazy. Or not too crazy. I mean, like, not a high level. Okay, focal chili ain't bad. It's just citronelle. I don't have that growing, but I can get that growing. So yeah, we might just rare flowers. I think I know where to get some. It's only one per, so a few beaver dams, and I think I could be set for that. But what I wanted to check out was greenhouse. Look at that, 2 levels, and we can get greenhouse, so I can increase my crops pretty good here. So Jesus, this guy's so loud. But yeah, so I think I'll jump straight to exceptional or whatever it's called. I can tame something. I'll probably tame the smallest creature of that egg class and just like go for low levels like I did with the turtles. So I think I can get that done. So we might do that. Maybe I'm not. I'm definitely not doing that today. I need a little break after what just happened. But yeah. So we'll do that. I don't know what else I'll do tomorrow. But see you guys in the next one.